Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to check search history on TikTok. The first option to see our recent searches is by clicking on the search magnifying glass. There we can see what we have searched for recently. We can also consult the complete history. To do this, we will go to our profile and click on the three top lines. After that, click on Settings and Privacy. Next, we will click on Activity Center and then on Search History. Finally, we can see our searches, and if we want, we will eliminate those we want by selecting them. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.